Split chain. The split chain is a chain that consists of tatted double stitches and tied double stitches worked in opposite directions to a desired exit point. The split chain is used to exit the chain in a place other than the end of the chain. The standard exit is here, at the end of the chain. Other possible exits are here. Exiting the chain at these points allows the tatter to climb out of one row or round and progress to the next row or round without cutting the thread. To accomplish this, split chains are used in conjunction with split rings and mock picots. This sample was tatted round to round without cutting the thread by applying the split chain technique, followed by a mock picot and split ring. The sample was made in these steps. The first row was tatted by tatting the rings and chains in the traditional manner. The last ring joined to the first ring, the work reversed. This chain was split, exiting the chain here. The split chain was then followed by a mock picot and then a split ring, which completed the row transition. The work was then reversed, followed by standard ring chain patterning throughout the round. Mock picots are made in this way. Make the under hitch, followed by the over hitch. The over hitch is not transferred, which locks the stitch. The following demonstration of the split chain is enlarged for visual ease. Tatting the split chain as demonstrated requires double shuttles. Tat the split chain with double stitches to the desired point of exit. Split chains can be tatted left to right or right to left. This chain has been tatted from the left to the right, stopping at the midpoint. Leave a length of thread slightly shorter than the desired finished length of the chain. The thread from shuttle number 1 is then anchored to the next element at the right with a shuttle join. Join by pulling a loop of shuttle thread up through a ring or around a chain. Pass the shuttle through the loop, tighten slowly by pulling the shuttle straight up. After the shuttle thread is anchored, tie the stitches of the second half of the chain over the bare thread back to the midpoint. The stitches of the second half of the split chain are tied over the bare thread rather than tatted because space will not allow the passing of the shuttle. The stitches are made by dropping a loop of shuttle thread on the opposite side of the bare thread from where the stitch cap will be. The stitch caps of this chain are in front, so the loop is dropped on the back side. Pull a loop to the front, pass the shuttle through the loop and tighten. The second half hitch is made by dropping the loop on the front side of the bare thread. Pull the loop to the back, pass the shuttle through the loop, tighten, and lift the shuttle up to bring the stitch cap forward. One double stitch is now complete. Repeat the steps for the number of stitches needed to complete the chain. The split ring and split chain added to the techniques learned expands the possibilities of patterns we can choose from as shown from these samples. The following samples are provided courtesy of designer Karen Lindsay.